Hello, welcome to my world. I'm glad our paths have met. My name is Njabulul Patla from njabulonline.com, and my mission is to help home entrepreneurs and network marketers grow their businesses online. Welcome to our training session, and it's titled The 4 Steps to Making Money Online. I guess you've heard a lot of people talk about making money online, and the question might be, how are they doing it? But firstly, I'd like to clarify that in terms of making money online, there are a lot of opportunities and ways of making money online. I think the opportunities are as many as even for offline businesses. Because offline businesses, there are a lot of opportunities of making money, of how you can make money. Same applies to making money online. There are a lot of ways to make money. But the purpose of this training is to then simplify and show you the simple 4 steps of how you can make money. Right, irregardless of the opportunity that you have chosen and how you make money, but there is a simplified way of how you can go about it in terms of these steps. And the 4 steps will be revealed in this training. I hope you have a piece of paper, a notebook, and a pen, and you're ready to take notes. Otherwise, I hope you'll enjoy and you'll find these steps helpful as you're making money online, or as you're planning to make money online. Yes. So then I'll go straight to the 4 steps. We say there we have the 4 steps. So let's go straight to them. Right. The step number 1 is to make sure you choose an interest. Remember, I said there are a lot of opportunities and ways of making money online. So you have to choose your interest. You also have to choose your target group or your niche. Why is it so? Because you can't have a business and target everyone. You can't be targeting everyone on the internet. You have to choose a specific niche. You have to choose a particular niche. But the question would be, how do I choose that niche? Look for something that you are passionate about, something that you love, an area that you are willing to learn about. We are not saying choose an area where you're an expert. No, we're saying choose an area that you're passionate about, that you can even learn more about it. It will make your journey much easier, because this is the very first step. So it is the most crucial one. Choose an area, have an interest, choose a target market, have a niche, and make sure the area you're passionate about and you're willing to learn, because that is where your business will be centered around. Yes. So then after choosing your interest, you are now going to the next step. Step number 2. Here you have 2 options. It's either you're building a website, your own website, or you choose an already existing website. A website is the foundation of your business. In this online world, the website is the platform of communicating with the audience. is the tool that you use, because the website will enable your business to work 24 hours a day. So it is the most crucial and essential asset that has to be there. Some go the route of owning their own websites where they communicate with the audience for their business. But you can also choose an existing website depending with what you're promoting and what your business is about. But you have to choose the website that does all the communication, because you don't want to be always be the one to talking everything about the business, explaining the business to everyone, every potential customer. The website is there to do that. What you'll need is just to link people to the website, and the website will communicate on its own. That is why the online business is fascinating. That's why I love it, because the website does more of the work for you. Alright, then after now you have chosen your website, or you have built your website, you now have the foundation for your business. And if I can take you back, we are saying you have chosen your interest. Now your interests are aligned to the website. You have a platform to communicate with your potential customer or with the audience. Now we go to the next step. Step number 3. Now that your website is ready to communicate with the audience, now your job is now to attract visitors to your website. We call this driving traffic. I love this part because this is the part that brings you creativity. You have to be very creative. You have to have strategies, because you are saying you have the website ready. Now you have to drive people so that they get into the website. So you have to you make use of the social media platforms to promote your business and drive people to the website. And you cannot make money without these visitors. A website with no visitors cannot make money. So you need a lot of visitors that will come there. Remember, we said we have a target market. You have a niche that you are serving. So identify those people in that target market, and then convince and persuade them and drive them to that website. Go to your social media platform, for example. You can take even Facebook. You have posts that can direct people to the traffic. Interact with people on social media and those that need assistance. If that information you have it on the website, direct them to the website. You need the movement of the website. So your business is fueled by the traffic that you send to the website. And this should be a daily task for you, to make sure on a daily basis you have people that you drive and take to your website. And don't forget, you have a target market. So make sure, look for where there are people whom you are looking for, they hang out. If most of the people hang out, the people that you are targeting, they hang out more on Twitter. Go to Twitter, interact with them, and try to find strategies or creative ways of driving them into the website. You need those numbers. So social media is one way to make sure you utilize. So utilize those platforms to drive people to that particular website that you want. That is where your business offers are. That is where you're communicating. The website is everything about what you're doing and how they can go forward. Yes. So, but to repeat, you cannot make money without the visitors. You need those visitors. lastly, we go to step number 4, and this is the step where you earn money. It is the step here you now monetize your traffic. This is the step where you are rewarded for all the efforts you have made. Remember, I said you have to take and push more numbers to the website. You have to drive traffic. So here, if you've driven the more numbers in terms of a high level of traffic, then you tend to earn more as well. So here, you are taking those visitors that you have driven to the website. Now you are turning them into paying customers. Some of them will pay you once, some will be repeat clients, some will be coming back and forth, depending on the offers, the promotions, the business offers that you have. But this is the last step, and if all those steps, the previous steps 1, 2, 3, if they are done well, then you will see good results on the step where you earn the money, because this is where you are rewarded. So all those visitors that come, you are now converting them into customers. It now your offers that you have, the promotions that you have, the things that you offer, then people will then buy or join, depending on the offers that you are having. Maybe you might be selling some ebooks as an example, or selling some course. This comes as an example, but there are a lot of ways of making money. So depending with your choice that you have made. Yes, but this is the step when you are rewarded for all the efforts that you would have made. Yes, but then as a roundup, rundown, remember step number 1, we choose an interest, that is your target group and niche. Step number 2, we had build or choose a website to promote. Now step number 3, this is where you're driving traffic. You take and invite people to your website. Then step number 4, this is when you earn revenue. This is when you are rewarded for all the efforts you have made on those prior steps. So if you follow this step, this simple step, then you will have a guideline of how best you can make money online. But if you make use of this system, of these steps, you will realize this is a simple way of doing it. And I would like to know if you use these steps of the results you have given. So I would love for you to get back to me and just give me the results, whether it helped, it simplified, and it worked for you. But for me, it has been working for me for quite some time. Every time I have something, this is the step. These are the steps that I use, and I hope you will also be able to use them. And with that being said, we have come to the end of our video, and thank you so much for listening, and I really appreciate it. And for you to get more of such videos and such trainings, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, then you click the red button to subscribe. Otherwise, looking forward to seeing you on our next and more videos, because we have more of the videos coming of this nature. Otherwise, I wish you all the best in your business. Let's all improve and enhance in whatever we're doing. Let's take our business to another level. Otherwise, from me, Jabulo Lupahla, from jabuloonline.com, it has been a pleasure being the host. Otherwise, for now, I'm out.